Hey guys, today we are back with a new question I saw on Leetcode. This is day 3. Welcome to you to Ritesh Kumar, DSA Blocks. So today I solved the question of medium, medium, what we get? Medium difficulty. So I will tell you the approach how to solve this. So let's understand that how I solved. Let's take So this is the question that we have to given a string as return the longest palindromic substring. So first we will understand the meaning of palindrome and the meaning of substring. So palindrome means which is same. Palindrome means which is same either read from front from start or end. Like we can tell like naman. Suppose this is the zero index. Let's take naman. Let's take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have these four index in the naman. So after we reverse it, let's not take index 4, 3, 2, 1, and we will assign at the 4 index we have n, you see, and at the third index we have a. At the second index we have m, at the first index we have a, and at the zeroth index we have n. So you can see this matches with this. So we can tell that Naman is a palindrome. Okay, it's fine. Now let's understand what is substring. Substring. So substring is like suppose you have this word string str equal to naman. So substring will be any part of the word. It may be any continuous part of the word. Substring any continuous part of the word. We will call it a we will we will call it a substring. Okay guys. So what can be the substring? NA can be the substring. MA can be the substring. Then we can have MAN. So what number of substring we can have in this? So first we can have N, second we can have NA, third we can have NAM, fourth we can have NAMA, fifth we can have NAMAN. Also we can have A, we can have AM, we can have AMA, we can have AMAN, then we can have M, then we can have MA, then we can have MAN. Okay, here we started from N, then we have increased one letter in each. Then at the second time we started from A, and we started from A, that is first index. We started from first index. Here we started from zeroth index. Okay, guys, and similarly we here we have started from second index. Hope you know about the indexes. Okay, and we can also have n. No, this is the n. Now we will start from third index simply, and we will have a. You see here, third index is a, so a, then we can have an. Now let's start from the fourth index. fourth index. We have G and N only. So now let's tell, now these are the substring we have in this number. So can we find how many of them are palindromic? So let's check. Is any palindromic? What I told about palindromic? Any word which is read same either from the start or end. Okay. So Naman like Naman. So we will check how many substrings are palindromic. Let's check this. Is is an palindromic? No. Is any palindromic? No. Is NAM? No. Is NAMA? No. Is NAMN? Yes. So the longest sub palindromic, its length is 5. Okay. Its length is 5. We have one, 2, 3, and 5 letters. So its length is 5. Okay. Now again we will go. A is not palindromic. A, yeah. N is also palindromic. Okay. It's one also here. A is palindromic. It's also one length. Then M is also palindromic. Its length is also one. Then here AMA, it is also palindromic. Its length is three. Then we have MAN is not palindromic. A again we have A. It's palindromic one. AN it's not palindromic. And N it's palindromic. We have already taken it as one here. So what is the maximum length substring? We found that it is one, it is five, it is one, it is three, one, one, one. So five is the longest one. So our answer for the longest palindromic substring would be would be the NAMM. The word itself at this, not every time we will have the word itself. Suppose let's take other case. Ritik. Okay. So here what will be the longest substring? Let's again write its substring on R, then RI, then RIT, then RIT, I, then RITIK. Now with the second index we will have I, then IT, then ITI, then ITIK. Then we will start from the third index T, then TI, then TIK. Then we will start from the fourth index. Uh, third index. So I, then IK. Now we have the last index, the fourth index K. So here you can see the long, its palindromic length is 1. It is not palindromic, this is palindromic, and its length is 1. It is palindromic. Okay, so it is length is 1. These two are not palindromic. Then again ITK is not palindromic, ITI is palindromic. So its length is 3. IT not palindromic, not palindromic, not palindromic, not palindromic, not palindromic, not palindromic, not palindromic. So the maximum length in this case, in the case of repeat, we have is 3. So our answer for this would be our answer, that is the longest substring palindromic for this one would be ITI, which has length of 3. Okay, now we will go to the question and we will understand this. Okay, okay, I haven't shared my screen. Okay, I will give you the snap screen sharing and let me again share it. The window and then entire screen, then share. Okay, what I thought you can get it from here, what I told. Again, I will explain palindrome, which is either same rate from, which is which is same either rate from start or end, like null. Okay, we have index 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In this, if we write the fourth index 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and put on the letters according to the index, we will have null again. So this will call null is a palindrome. Now we will check the null. Let's start from the zeroth index, and so we will have n first, then na, then nam, then nama, then nama, nama, and then we will start from the first index. We will have a, then am, then ama, then nam, and similarly. So in this case, the we have found the count. How many substrings are there? You can see here we have one substring. Here we have substring. Here we have one substring. Then here this is also sorry, palindromic substring. This is also palindromic substring. So we have these all palindromic substring. But only the largest palindromic substring we have is Na and An. In the similar case, we will take another example called reading. At this time, we have the same word. The word is itself a palindromic, so the longest substring it will also the word itself. In the second case, we can see the palindromic word are ITI. You see the continuous letters which is read same either from the start and end is ITI. So this is the longest. So its result will be ITI. So longest palindromic substring will be ITI. Understood? Now we will go to the code. Suppose let's say if the length is 0, we will simply return 0. Okay? But now we'll start to don't look at this at this time. First we will have to understand how the palindrome how to write them how to check palindrome. Suppose I gave you number. So how you will check it is palindrome or not? So we will take its start index. Start index means start index means start index means 0. Again, then we will take its that is left pointer. We have the left pointer at 0. Then we have the at length minus 1. What is the length? Its length is 5 and length minus 1 is 4. So length of total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 characters. Its length is 5, but we in the if we call it by index, so the last index will be 5 minus 1, 4. This is the last index, and this is the first. Now we will run a loop called left pointer less than right pointer until our left pointer is 0 pointer at this pointer which is pointing now at this pointer which is now pointing at this sorry which is now pointing at this, they both come either in the same place or they both either come at the same place until that or less than equal to. Like this pointer, the first pointer, our first pointer should be less than equal to the last pointer. Okay? Why we are telling that? Suppose this point, if we go here by 3, let's go here by 3 unit, 1, 2, and 3, and here also by 3 unit. We will reach to the point 2. Okay, like first unit we will go to 0, second unit we will go to 1, third unit we will go to 2. Similarly, from the right pointer we will go first unit we will go to the 4, then 3, then 2. Okay, so we will both reach at the same point. So therefore, when we reach here, we will call that this is a and if the value matches at every unit, the value matches like at 0 0 position 0 and 4 position value matches. Similarly, when we both move 1 and 3 AA and then at the same place 2. So this is the value match. Therefore, we will we will note that this is a palindromic string. Similar that what I have written that we have left pointer and the right pointer, and if the character of the left pointer is equal to character of the right pointer, What we are doing, we are simply increasing the index. Our index come at where? Our index come at this position. Okay, our index came at this position, at the fourth position, and at the third, this one index came here, and other one came here. Okay, so at this position we have the index. Okay, now it is pointing to 1 and it is pointing to 3. So at 1 and 3 we will check 1 and 3 again, both A and A. So it will check A and A. So it will similarly, it will do plus plus for the right pointer, minus minus for the minus left right pointer. Suppose in any case, let's take NA. NA, we will check that left pointer is 0 and right pointer is 1, and if both they are not equal, it will return false. That is not a palindrome. Okay. Otherwise, if everything goes well, it never enters into the else condition. It will return true. Okay. So this is the and this is how we are checking the palindromic. Now, how to generate this substring? We have to check the palindromic for all of this substring. Then only we can decide now which substring is the longest, and then we can return it. So I have run a loop from 0 to like here. What we do? We first go to the 0 index, then we go to the last index, then we go to the 1 index, then we are going to the last index, then we are going to the second index, then we are going to the last index, then we are going to the third index, then we are going to the last index. Similarly, I have done the same. I have started from the 0 index, then we are going till the last index. We are starting from then again the first index, then we are going till the last index. Okay, then we are starting from the third index, second index, then we are going to the last index. Okay, so this is what I have written in this code. I means I is for this one, this 0 index, then first index, then second index, then third index, and for the and this the inner loop which is having j plus 1. Suppose I is 1, so I plus 1. This is this. So our I will be starting from one first index. So it will start from A, like here. Okay. So our this will be the substring at first time, because our j is what? So substring function will return 0, 1. So substring function, how the substring function returns any value, and we have passed the one, so it will include this index, but will exclude the last index. Okay, this one is excluded, but this index is included. Okay, you got it. So we will here we will got every substring, then we are checking if the substring is by this function. We are calling this function, passing this, we are passing that substring what we have got, and checking if it is a palindrome or not. And if it is a palindrome, that if it is a palindrome and its its length is its length and length of the palindromic substring is is greater than the max, is greater than max we have 0 initially. So we will whole function, and so every time, so every time we can update, and then we are storing the max length of that, we are storing the length of that substring. Okay, that if length changes, when if greater length comes, then we can uh, then we can update the max and this also. This is how I have solved this question. I thank you everyone for checking out this video. Hope you like it. Hope,